this is Madhavi Karamudi. In this lecture we will talk about compressed trie. So before going to see about compressed trie, first we will see how to construct the standard trie. Then from the standard trie, we will see how to construct the compressed trie. In the previous video I have already explained how to construct the standard trie. I will just quickly draw the standard trie for the given example. Let us see the example. Just assume that we have a set of strings bean, bell. We'll take the same example: bean, bell, big, bull, stock and stop. So these 6 words we'll take. Now see how to construct the standard trie. In any trie, first the root node will be empty. You should not store any alphabet in the root node. Now, the first word or first string in the set is B. So, B, E, A, N, A, N, bean. Now, the second string is bell. So, in this bell, bell is starting with the letter B. But already we have a node with B, okay, then we can reuse it. Now the second letter is E. So with E also we have a node in the tree. So we can use those 2 nodes. Now next letter is L. So directly we can construct L from here, L and then L. Now the word B-E-L-L, the trie with for the word B-E-L-L. Now the next string is big. So already we have a node with B. Just construct node for I and node for G. This is the trie for string big. Now next bull. Already we have a node for B. Then you don't have any node for U. So construct a node for U. Then L. Then L. So this is the trie for the string bull. Now the next string is S, stock. So the word stock starts with the S, but here there is no node with S. So take a node with S, then next letter is T, then next letter is O. Okay, now the next letter is C, then K. So this is the trie for the string stock. Now next string is stop. So in this stop, the first letter is S. With S already we have a node, and next letter is T. With T also we have a node, and next letter is O. With O also we have a node, and next letter is P. But with P there is no node in our trie. Okay, so we can use these 3 nodes. Then after those 3 nodes, just create a node with P. So now this is the node, or this is the trie for the word stop. So in any trie, each and every path from root node to leaf node indicates one string. Okay, so the main advantage of this trie is for storing the set of strings. So this is the standard trie for the given set of strings. Let us see how to convert this standard trie into compressed trie. First of all, the compressed trie means instead of creating nodes for each and every letter, if you can compress some of the nodes, then automatically the tree height will be decreased. If the tree height will be decreased, then automatically the searching process will be minimized. That is the concept behind the compressed trie. Let us see how to compress this standard trie into compressed trie. Let us see here, while compressing the trie, we have to follow some rules. The rules are, suppose if any path is having only one node, or suppose here if you see here for B there are 3 children. So you cannot combine B with any of these children. Okay. Now here if you see the node E is having 2 children. So you cannot combine E with any other children. Okay. Here if you see I, here from I to G there is only one path, and if you see here U to L, there is only one path. There is no other child for U and there is no other child for I. If any node is having only one path from that node to leaf node, then we can compress or we can combine all those nodes into one node. In this example, I and G we can combine. I and G we can combine, and U, L we can combine. Okay, and here we can combine A and N, and we can combine L and L. But we cannot combine E with AN and E with LL, because if you combine E with AN, then we can't get the word ELL. Okay, now here in this also, from S to O there is only one path. There are no other child for S. So you can combine S, T, O into one node, in one node. And similarly, E and K, C and K, here this is only one path. There is no other child for C, right? So you can combine C and K in one node. And anyway, P is one node. Okay, there are no nodes for P, so no need to do anything. Now let us combine these nodes into one. Let us see the compressed trie for this. Initially, root node. This is the empty node here also. Now, B. This is the node for B. And here, E also we are not combining with any node because E is having two children. So you should not combine E with any other node. Okay. Now, A and N you can combine. A and N. Now L and L you can combine. L and L. Next IG you can combine. IG. Next ULL you can combine as one node. ULL. Now here in this part, STO you can combine into one node. And CK you can combine into other node. And another one is P. If you observe, this is the compressed trie. After combining some nodes into one node also, here the meaning of the word is not changing. Now see, BEAN, bean, BELL, bell, BIG, big, BULL, bull, STOCK, stock, STOP, stop. Okay. What is the difference between the standard trie and compressed trie is, here instead of creating three nodes, here for ULL, here we are creating three nodes for ULL. Instead of creating three nodes, here we are combining all those three nodes into one, so that the height of the tree will be minimized. If the height of the tree is minimized, automatically the searching process will take less time. Okay, if the tree is having less number of nodes or less number of levels, then automatically the search process is improved. So this is the advantage of compressed trie. Let us see how to represent this compressed trie in the memory. Okay, see here, in this example, we have 6 words or 6 strings. S of 0, that means first string is bean. And second string is bell, and third string big, fourth string bull, fifth string stock, and sixth string stop. Okay, these are the 6 strings we have in a set. Now, this first string, in all these strings, the first letter will store at index 0, 1, 2, 3. Here we have only 4 letters, so 0 to 3. But here in this, we have 5 letters, so 0 to 4. K will be in 4th position, right? So, maximum length of the string is 5 letters. It stores at 0 to 4 indexes. Now, let us see how to construct a compressed trie, how to represent a compressed trie using these indexes. Now, while constructing the compressed trie or the memory representation for this compressed trie is, you can do it by using this diagram. Now see, here initially our root node is empty. Now B, where the B is available in our string, here the B is available in the 0th string. So 0, comma, and this B is available at 0th index, and this B is ending with 0th index itself. Okay, so 0, comma 0. So this is the index or address for B in the memory. So here if you see, here three components we are representing, I, J and K. Here I indicates that index of our string. Index of string. Okay, that means here our string index is 0. That means it is a 0th string in our set. Now this J indicates that start and K indicates that end of the string. Now here this is the B representation in the memory. The starting index for string index for B is 0 and B is there at 0th index and B is ending with 0th index. So we can represent like this, 0, 0, 0. Now next letter is E. Now see how to represent E. Now this is the word for bean. So in bean, where the E is available, E is a string of 0. So 0, comma, and E is available at 1 index and E is ending in 1 index itself. So 1. Now next node is AN. Okay. Now here where the AN is available, this is for bean. Now AN is for S of 0 string. So 0 and A is starts at index 2 and N is ending with 3. So 0, 0, 2, 3. This is the word. Now next string is IG. This is for IG. Let us see, this is a big. In big, where the IG is available, big string is second string, S of 2 string. So 2, comma, in big, I is started at index 1 and G is ending with index 2. So 2, 1, 2. Now the next letter is bull. Now here this is for UL, ULL. Now here bull, the word is at S of 3 index. So 3, comma, ULL. We are representing it for ULL. U is available at index 1 and the second L is at index 3. So 3, 1, 3. Now we have one more word, LL. Now BE, this is for LL. LL. So bell is available at index 1, comma. Where the LL is available, L is available at second index, is starting at second index and ending is at third index. So 1, 2, 3. Now next letter is stock. STO. STO. So where the word STO is available in our set, STO is a 5th string in our set. That means it is at index S of 4. So 4, comma, in that stock, S is starting at 0th index and O is the ending. O is there at second index. So 4, 0, 2. Now next is CK. This is for CK. Okay. In the stock, where the C and K is available, stock belongs to 4th string, 4th indexed string in the set, and CK is available at 3, C is at 3 and K is at 4. So 4, 3, 4. Now next letter is, next node is P. Okay, so the P is a stop word. The word stop word is available at sixth index, at sixth string is our set, that is available in fifth index. So 5 comma, where the P is available? In third index. So it is beginning in third index and ending in third index itself. So this is the 533 for P. So this is the compact representation for compressed tree, or we can also call it as this is the compressed tree representation in the memory. So the main advantage of compressed trees or compressed trees, instead of increasing the number of nodes, if there is only one path from any node, we can compress all the, if you can compress all those nodes into one node, then automatically we can decrease the number of nodes. At the same time, we can also decrease the searching of a string in the trie. That is the main advantage of compressed trie. So this is the final compressed trie for our example set. Okay. So in next video, we will discuss the suffix tries. Thank you.